Japan has just flipped the switch. SBI Chairman Kitao was spot on that Japanese banks are officially using XRP in 2025. The future is now. Go Japan. And again, if you follow, my channel, or if you are an XRP holder, I'm sure you guys know, the partnership between SBI Holdings and Ripple, a revolutionary partnership, which of course, actually gets banks in Japan using XRP, and of course, the Ripple, other products as well. So again, you could really see which direction, the crypto industry really is going. And now, if you kind of go backtrack and notice what Donald Trump has been saying, he does not want other countries to be the innovation hub for blockchain innovation. He wants that to happen in the US. So imagine when you see US banks start using, the likes of RippleNet, or, Ripple Custody Services, RLUSD, and the list goes on and on. So you could really see which direction we're going in. And recently we heard about the Citibank holdings. They had a major announcement coming out how they are going to be offering crypto, I think, custody to their clientele, and that really shows you which direction we're really going in. But welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. To the XRP community, I cannot thank you guys enough for all your support. You guys are absolutely amazing. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. But looking across the board today, if you're looking across the market, we are seeing red once again. Obviously, it's a long weekend, if you guys know, in the US and in Canada. So, of course, that's something that we need to keep in mind. So anyone that's here in North America, I hope you guys have a wonderful long weekend. It's just, of course, always exciting. But you're seeing the market, obviously seeing a lot of manipulation. You're seeing the market in red once again due to, obviously, us being in the weekend. Obviously, on the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation as CME futures are closed. But yeah, we're here really seeing, the market tumbling back towards the downside. But I want you guys to take a look at it on the weekly time frame. If you look at it from the weekly time frame, you are actually seeing market seeing a little bit of a bounce. You're seeing a lot of coins up double digits. XRP is actually up 15%. Obviously, we heard some big news coming out, especially the acknowledgement by the SEC, which of course is bringing in a lot of excitement. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening. XRP's price $2.74, down 1% in USD. We're up 1% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap at $158.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $3 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, Bitcoin liquidity on US exchanges has surged to 2021 bull run levels. So what is this really showing you? We're in a bull market. If you look at where Bitcoin is sitting right now, people are so fast to neglect where Bitcoin is currently sitting and what this really means. If you watch my last night market analysis update, we kind of went over Crypto Zombie's take on how, this market right now, especially where, retail money is concerned, it doesn't really matter when it comes to retail, interest. But if you kind of go backtrack and really understand, how this market tends to move, institutions are more focused on Bitcoin. Institutions are more focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum a little bit, but mainly Bitcoin. What's my take here? What's my main point that I'm trying to make? Retail usually goes for altcoins, and right now you're seeing a major lag, and altcoins not really showing a lot of excitement because the meme coin mania has really taken such a big picture of the crypto space when it comes to retail's coming in, because of course when retail investors are coming in, all they want to do is make money. They want to make big money, and in return, if you remember, if you follow my channel on a daily basis, 99.9% of these meme coins are going to go to zero. So a lot of liquidity is being sucked in towards the meme coin industry, and smart money, in my opinion, is accumulating coins such as XRP, Solana, the list goes on. Sui, again, just a few coins to be mentioning, are the ones that actually bring utility, right? So that's that big shift that we're seeing. But look at this, Bitcoin liquidity, on the U.S. exchanges has surged to 2021 bull run levels, and that is quite bullish to see. And I think we are about to go into banana zone for Bitcoin once Bitcoin makes up its mind in what direction it really wants to go in. But yeah, moving forward, look at this. 2025, 50,095 Bitcoin has been bought up by spot Bitcoin ETFs, but only almost 19,000 Bitcoin has been mined. The race to acquire Bitcoin is on, and exactly what we speak about on a day-to-day basis. What are we looking at? The demand right now for Bitcoin is outweighing the supply. That's right, guys. The demand is outweighing the supply. So what am I trying to show you guys? Where the crypto industry really is going. We need to understand XRP is one of the very few coins that's still remaining and actually holding against. If you're looking at it from a Bitcoin performance standpoint, XRP is actually doing quite well. So if Bitcoin thrives, you would expect XRP to have that correlation that it already has into obviously that move. So we could actually see XRP breaking towards all-time highs if Bitcoin makes up its mind which direction it wants to go. And I really do believe, based on the announcements that we're hearing, the year of 2025 is starting to look really bullish for XRP specifically. But moving forward, guys, look at this. Key events this week. U.S. market close, of course, tomorrow, and of course, 2nd January housing starts data on Wednesday. Number 3, Fed meeting minutes on Wednesday again. And of course, on Friday, January existing home sales data. 10 Fed speakers event this week. 20% of the S&P 500 companies report earnings. So short but busy week ahead. But yeah, let's see how that folds. But let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with the price of XRP. So if you're looking at the dominance here, guys, dominance has been pulling down once again. 60.7%. We're still quite high if you look at it from that perspective. Dominance is still, quite high. You don't really want to see dominance sitting this high. But if you're looking at BTC right now, Bitcoin is at about, actually, let's give it a refresh live. I don't know what's going on here. If you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's currently sitting at $96,166. Once again, finding a hard time breaking above that $98,000. And I'm sure if you follow my channel on a day-to-day basis, I might sound like a broken record at this point, but you're starting to realize the importance of that zone. So, but you're noticing this accumulation pattern playing out, which of course is nice to see. Looking at XRP's price, holding really, really good right now, considering what's happening with the market. Nice, beautiful consolidation. Kind of reminds me of this right here. Actually, let me take you guys back down memory lane as to what I'm really trying to show you guys. So if you kind of go back here, remember these accumulation patterns that we have seen? You're kind of starting to see a little bit of that familiar pattern playing out. And the way it's holding right now really tells you the demand is definitely there for XRP right now. And you're seeing this beautiful accumulation pattern playing out. What's that next target to be looking out for? Of course, we have wicked up to the likes of 283 a few times. A major resistance, of course, specifically around that 290 zone. If that is able to break out, I do believe this $3.12, where we were accumulating before these massive swings towards the downside, and of course, due to the market manipulation, I think this could really be claimed quite fast. I'm really liking what I'm seeing here, still in the 23.6. You don't want to be forgetting where XRP is currently sitting. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions on XRP? Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.